Hello everyone, I'm Ilya. I'm the founder of the company Son of Lord as a scientific institute. And today is the first day that I'm going to teach you about the science of brain. Today's topic is about self-image, what self-image is and how it affects your life. I'm going to teach on this whiteboard and you will enjoy. So be here till the end. Simply saying, what is self-image? Self-image is just an idea. It's just idea in our brain about ourselves. And it has been built by the suggestions or ideas of others that we have accepted in our imagination as a fact or beliefs. That's all. And those ideas, as time went on, we have built our own self-image. And now that self-image controls your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. Ultimately, your results. So if you want to have new results in your life, you should consider your own self-image. You should study about self-image. So here, as you see, I'm going to draw some pictures to make it so simple that you understand the point of self-image. It's just example. As you see here, this circle represents our brain. In our brain, we have brain cells or neurons. Let's say this is one cell. When you were a child, from that time, maybe your mother, maybe your friend, maybe your uncle, it can be anyone. Maybe somebody told you something. It can be positive and negative. When they told you that idea, if you accepted that, at that time you have created a new brain cell. Brain cell. Let's say somebody told you you are stupid or you are ugly. And you have accepted that idea. And you keep going. Maybe your teacher, maybe somebody else told you it can be positive or it can be negative. Maybe they told you something and now you have a new brain cell. You know, it continues. In general, you have built a complex system of neurons or brain cells in the form of neural pathways that they are interconnected and they are inside of your own brain. It's inside of your own brain and it is different and unique for everyone. So everyone has a unique self-image. And let's say you have built your own self-image. You know, I don't know. We don't know, you only know. For example, my own self-image, I know because it's my own. Let's say you have your own self-image and now what happens to you? Here in your brain, here you have a complex system of neurons or brain cells. They are interconnected to each other in your brain. And now what happens? These small brain cells or the neural pathways, now they control your thinking here. In your consciousness, your thinking it controls your thinking, and it controls, let me show here, right, thinking and your emotions or feelings. Your self-image controls the way you think. Let's say you have been told that you are ugly. Now you are going to act exactly like an ugly girl or boy in order to prove to yourself that you are ugly. In fact, you are not ugly. In fact, you are not. But in your brain, you have this concept about yourself, that you see yourself as a type of person that you think. Now, that mental picture controls your thinking, emotions, and actions. Your actions. Then what happens? Be here, think. Your self-image controls your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It means it controls your life. What you get in your life, what you accomplish in your life. So here we have one key, or I can say the master key. The master key for success in personal development in the science of brain for humanity is self-image. Why? You know, because your self-image controls your thoughts, emotions, and actions or behaviors that you act on your idea or you procrastinate. The reason you procrastinate is because of your self-image. If you feel bad, it's because of your own self-image. If you want to lose some weight or gain some muscles and you are struggling, it's just because of your self-image. Because you have built a big belief system, about yourself. And now they are neural pathways in your brain, and they are controlling the way you think, feel, and behave. And your results. So here the point is that if you want to create new results, you have to make or correct your self-image. Let me clean here and show you what do I mean. Because as you know, we have the power to change our self-image. We have the power to change our self-image. We have the power to change our self-image. And if we change our self-image, what happens then? Let's say you change your self-image. What happens? Your new self-image. Let's say here you have new self-image. And now your self-image, new self-image is going to do what? Control your thoughts, your feelings, your actions. Your new self-image is going to control the way you think and the way you feel and the way you act, and ultimately your results. So simply saying is this: by correcting or changing your self-image, you can accomplish what you want. Otherwise, you won't be able to do what you want to do, because your self-image controls the way you think, feel, and act. This is the key in the science of brain, in the science of personal development, in psychology. It's the key. it's too deep, I just explain a little bit that you understand. In the next videos, I'm going to explain more, share more, really to help you to become successful, to add value into our societies, to make our world more better place to live for us, for next generations. Let's express ourselves simply by correcting our self-image, because it controls our thoughts, emotions, and actions. And actions, these three, create our results. It's a key and it's a scientific fact. Be happy, and I will meet you in the next videos. Please leave your comments, questions in this video, and I will read them, I will answer you, and yeah, I'm going to help you to be more happy. Love you all, and see you in the next videos.